It's a Deadpool, a hit list of supernatural creatures. What's the number?
That's how much you're worth?
I'm worth $5.
5 million.
I only make $40,000 a year. We're brothers now.
Seriously, it affects me better than a baseball bat.
We found him buried in a tomb of Wolfsbane in an Aztec temple in Mexico underneath a church in the middle of a town that was destroyed by an earthquake.
You told me you were camping.
We were. In Mexico.
Maybe you need to think like Styles.
Like a hyperactive spaz?
Like a detective.
It's code.